So the West Indies was the last team to submit their provisional 15-man squad to the ICC for the upcoming World Cup, having done so today, with the official announcement set to be made tomorrow. How is the people speculating left, right, and center about what the West Indies squad will look like? So this evening, the Maverick releases my provisional 15 in batting order, starting with the openers Chris Gale and Evan Lewis. Darren Bravo at number 3. Shai Hope, the wicketkeeper batsman, at 4. Then I have Marlon Samuels at 5. Shimron Hetmeyer at 6. And then Jason Holder, the captain. Andre Russell, the all-rounder. Specialist bowlers, Sunil Narayan, the spinner. Kemar Roach and Sheldon Cottrell round out the 11. And then the other 4 are Nicholas Pooran, batsman and backup wicketkeeper. The experienced all-rounder Kieran Pollard. Then I have Keema Paul and O'Shane Thomas. That would be the Mavericks' 15-man squad heading into England to go upset some team and win a third 50-over World Cup for the West Indies. How my team look? As I said, the official 15 will be released tomorrow. So let us wait and see if the new selection panel, led by the Jamaican Robert Haynes, make we see if they know cricket like me. A big squad, me big. Look.